65 Robinson Street is one of the most exciting opportunities to come to the market in a very long time. Rarely available with such a wide frontage in Trinity Bellwoods. You're not going to want to miss it. Come on in, let me show you around. The living room and dining room are spacious and feature high ceilings, hardwood floors, and large windows. The kitchen has high ceilings and walk out to the backyard. The 4-piece bathroom is large with a clawfoot tub. Both bedrooms are roomy and each feature well-sized closets, wood floors, and large windows. The basement is high with a separate entrance and is partially finished with 2 bedrooms and roughed in for bathroom and kitchen. Laneway access at the back and a beautiful garden complete this incredible home. Enjoy restaurants, stores, transit on Queen Street West and Dundas Street West. You're also a short walk to Trinity Bellwoods Park. Make sure you check it out. Book your showing today.